Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Simple Nursing Notes. Today we are discussing about bones and joints. Question number 1. Number of vertebrae in human is 33, 32, 22 and 26. The answer is D, 26. Gote baby ra janma samayre vertebra 33 ti thai. But adults only have 26 vertebra because bones fuse together. Number 2. The longest bone in human body is stapes, humerus, ulna and femur. The answer is D. Femur is the longest bone in human body. Femur is also called as thigh bone. Number 3. Which of the following connects the sternum to the ribs? Bony matter, white fibrous cartilage, hyaline cartilage and areolar tissue. The answer is C. The cartilage that connects the ribs to the sternum is known as costal cartilage. Number 4. Which of the following is generally called a sprain? These are the options. The answer is B. Tearing of the ligament is generally called a sprain. Number 5. The number of saddle joints in human body is 10, 8, 4 and 2. The answer is D. Saddle joints are only found in two joints. One saddle joint is found in carpal bones of the thumbs and second is found in tarsal bones of the foot. Number 6. What is the total number of bones found in right upper limb? 30, 24, 26 and 60. The answer is A. The right upper limb consists of 30 bones. 1 humerus, 1 radius, 1 ulna, 8 carpal bones, 5 metacarpal bones and 14 phalangeal bones. Number 7. How many bones are present in human skull? 42, 32, 12 and 22. The answer is D. 22 bones are present in human skull. The skull is also known as cranium, which can be subdivided into 8 cranial bones and 14 facial bones. Number 8. What is the total number of bones in both the lower limbs of a man? 58, 56, 60 and 54. Each lower limb contains 30 bones. So, the total number of bones both lower limbs in man is 60. Number 9. What is the number of floating ribs in humans? 3 pairs, 2 pairs, 4 pairs and 12 pairs. The answer is B. The number of floating ribs in human is 2 pairs. Number 10. What type of joint is found in wrist? Saddle joint, gliding joint, pivot joint and hinge joint. The answer is B. The type of joint is found in wrist is gliding joint. Gliding joint is also found in ankle. In a gliding joint, the bones can only slide over each other. Number 11. Which of the following is a ball and socket joint? These are the options. The answer is C. Soldier joint is the ball and socket joint. Another joint which is ball and socket joint is hip joint. Number 12. Which of the following is a part of the pectoral girdle? Sternum, clavicle, pelvic bone and hyoid bone. The pectoral girdle is made up of two major bones, the clavicle and the scapula. So, the answer is B. Clavicle is the part of the pectoral girdle. Number 13. What are bone forming cells called? These are the options. The answer is B. Osteoblast is a large cell responsible for the synthesis and mineralization of bone during bone formation and bone remodeling. Number 14. How many bones does the axial skeleton have? 72, 48, 126 and 80. The answer is D. Axial skeleton have 80 bones. These are the bones of axial skeleton. Number 15. Which of the following is sesamoid bone? Scapula, patella, sternum and tibia. The answer is B. The patella is the sesamoid bone located in the major extensor tendon of the knee joint. Number 16. At which place in the human body would you find the hyoid bone? These are the options. The answer is C. Hyoid bone is a small U-shaped solitary bone situated in the midline of the neck. Number 17. Which of the following bones of the skull is movable? Nasal bone, temporal bone, maxilla and mandible. The answer is D. The mandible is the only part of the skull that can move. Number 18. The total number of facial bones is 12, 16, 14 and 18. The answer is C. The total number of facial bones is 14. Number 19. Which of the following is associated with pain in the lower back in a person? Options are thoracic vertebra, cervical vertebra, coccygeal vertebra and lumbar vertebra. The answer is D. Lumbar vertebra is the region which is associated with pain in lower back in a person. Number 20. The branch of medical science which deals with the prevention or correction of the musculoskeletal system is called. Options are orthopedics, odontology, gerontology and oncology. The answer is A. Orthopedics.